When it comes to typing, mechanical keyboards and membrane keyboards are like night and day. Mechanical keyboards use individual switches for each key, giving you that satisfying click and tactile feedback. It's like typing on a cloud of tiny springs. On the other hand, membrane keyboards are quieter and often cheaper, but they can feel mushy and less responsive. If you're gaming or typing for hours, that tactile response can make a huge difference. Plus, mechanical keyboards last longer. Some can handle over 50 million keystrokes. So if you want precision and durability, mechanical is the way to go. But if you're on a budget or need something portable, a membrane keyboard might just do the trick.